Yeah, hi friends. Today we will discuss about Angular NgIf. It is one of the structural directives. There are two structural directives like NgIf and ngFor. Now we will discuss this NgIf. This is just like the if condition we see in C Sharp or in Java or in JavaScript also. So if condition, generally what it does is it checks the condition. That means whether the condition is satisfied or not. If condition is satisfied, it will show, or else it will not. So like that, in the same way here, generally in the Angular we use ngIf directive to show or hide this element. Suppose if we are adding to any div tag in HTML, we want to show it or according to the value of some boolean value. According to the boolean value, we want to show this. If it is, suppose if the boolean value is true, we want to show that div. If the boolean value is false, we don't want to show that one. So for that we can use this ngIf directive. So this is used to uh, remove or recreate the portion of the HTML depending upon the expression. If the expression inside it is a false, then the element is removed. If it is true, then the element is added to the DOM. That means HTML DOM. So uh, in the TS file, that means in the component.ts file, we write like this. This is the Boolean value, and we write like this Boolean value. Now it is true. We have added one Boolean value and it is true. And in that HTML file of the same component, we have added one more div tag. This div tag, as it is true, it will, this my bool, as it is set to true, then div tag will be displayed, or otherwise it will be removed. This div tag, total div tag will be removed from the DOM, that means from the HTML page itself. So that we will see with example. The same we will implement with example. So now I'm going to first I will take this one. Yeah, now I'm going to my TS file. Okay, here I will add in the class itself. We can add our elements, data types like this, and now if I go to HTML, I will add the same thing. I will save it and I will go here. So I will remove this button, but we don't need for this example. Okay, now I have added one div tag with ngIf condition, and the ngIf here like this we have to mention ngIf equal to the variable. That means the variable, that is here we are specifying my bool is nothing but a one boolean value. It is set to true in TS file. So as it is set to true, it will display this div tag. Div tag contains this value. Boolean is set to true. We will display that one. If this my bool is false, then it will not show this total div itself. So that we will say. So as we set to true, now this div tag should be displayed because ngIf condition is satisfied. The if condition is set to true, so now it is satisfied. It should show this div tag. Understood? So I'll go to the browser and go to 00. See, boolean is set to true. Why? Because we are set that div tag ngIf to true. So that's why it is showing this div tag. So see, bind if ngIf equal to true. So that's why it is showing this div tag. Understood, I think. So this div tag is displayed. because my bool is the variable which has value true, and as ngIf condition is satisfied, is it is returning true, this will show div tag. If I set this to my bool to false, so now my bool is nothing but a boolean variable. It is set to false. So I'm saving this one. And so now my bool here will become false and the ngIf condition is not satisfied. So now the div should not be displayed. Understood? So now see, now it is not displaying. See here in body also we don't see that one. See, we don't see anything. In the app grid itself, see, this is our component app grid. You see here as ngIf is false, we are not displaying that anything. Only we have only one div tag that is also not displayed because ngIf condition is not satisfied. It is that my bool is returning false. It is given to ngIf as it is false, so it is not displaying that div tag. Like this, we show or remove that div element from the page by using this ngIf condition. So like this. So this is the main example we write. We use it whenever we want to show or remove the element from the HTML tag. Generally, in real time, we show some values according to the user role. Suppose if we want to display some value when he is admin, or if we want to remove that value whenever he is a user is a normal use user has a role, normal role like user role, then we can remove that HTML. If we will show for admin, like the admin who has all the rights, then we like to show it for the and the admin, then we will use this one. We can add one div tag with the this ngIf, and we can show or remove that div tag, or we can add here instead of normal directly, we can add one uh, text box or anything also. We can show that text box or display the text box or hide the text box, or like this we can do this by using this ngIf condition. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, next we will discuss ng4 in the next session. Thank you.